Hey geeks, it's Karthik and welcome back to Codolearn. Guys, in the previous video, we have discussed about pickle module in Python, and in this video, we are going to create a small game using Python, which is tic-tac-toe game. So before getting late, let's get started. So guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video and subscribe to Codolearn-Docs channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to visit on codolearn.pythonanywhere.com, in which you can learn more than 7+ languages, and you can run and compile your code using this code playground section, and you can encounter your doubts using this discussion section. So before getting late, let's continue. So guys, as usual, let's open up Visual Studio Code and create a new file, and that file name gonna be tic-tac-toe.py, and let me close this explorer. So guys, first of all we have to type the board, and then we have to simply type 7 and colon and something like this, then comma, then 8. So guys, basically you have to type something like this, and after that we have to type board underscore keys and is equal to an empty array, and then we have to type create a for loop, and here we have to type for key in the board. Then we have to simply type board keys actually dot append. Append is the method, guys, and then key, and after that we have to simply create a function, and then we have to type print board and then board. After that we have to simply type print and board, and then a square bracket 7 and then plus something like this, and not here, we have to type here plus, oh shit, yeah, now we have to simply type something like this, and again plus, and now we have to type board and 8, then again we have to type plus, then again we have to simply type something like this, and after that guys we have to create a function, and that function name is gonna be game, and then we have to type turn and is equal to x. After that we have to type count is equal to 0, and then guys we have to create a for loop, then I in range, and after that we have to simply type 10, and then we have to type print and print, and we have to type print board, then the board, and after that we have to simply type print, and we have to type it's your turn, not tune, turn, yeah, and then we have to add a plus and turn, and again add a plus and a double quotation and dot move, and to which place, something like this, yeah, and then we have to type move and is equal to input, and then we have to simply type if the board move is equal to, and then empty colons, and then the board, and then we have to type move is equal to turn, then we have to type count plus is equal to 1, and then guys we have to type else, and here we have to type print, and then that place is already filled. And then we have to type dot and backslash n to give a space, and then move then to which place. And then guys, again we have to type if count is greater than and equal to 5. You know, greater than and equal to 5 is an operator in Python. And then if the board 7 and is equal to the board, and then is equal to the board, let me type 8 here, and is equal to the board 9, and is not equal to empty colon, something like this. So guys, I hope you know this symbol, that this symbol is not equal to symbol. You have already studied this in maths. And then guys, we have to simply type, then guys we have to type something like this. So then we have to simply type if board 7 is equal to the board 8 is equal to the board 9 is not equal to and empty area, then print the board and then print and this backslash n to give a space, to give a enter space, and then game over, and print this 4 stars. And guys, it's not necessary, but let's type it. And then we have to type plus turn plus font, and then again dots, I just mean stars, and then break, and then elif the board 4 is equal to the board 5 and is equal to the board 6 is not equal to an empty space, then print the board, print game over, and the same, and you have to type same again and again. And in the next we have to type the board 1, the board 2, and the board 3, and next board 1, board 4, board 7, next board 2, board 5, board 8, next the board 3, 6, 9, next 7, 5, 3, next 1, 5, 9, and then we have to type if count is equal to 9, print game over, and again print it's a tie. And if turn is equal to x, turn is equal to not 0 o, else turn x, and then we have to type restart is equal to input, do you want to play game again, yes or no. And then if restart is equal to yes, or restart is equal to y, then for key in board keys, the board key is equal to empty space, and then game, and game underscore name is equal to underscore main, and game, we have to return the game. So guys, if I run this program, so you can see guys, this is the board in which we have to play the game. So guys, here I will type x and press enter. Oh, just wait a second. Oh, sorry guys, it's my bad. Here you have to play with numbers. So guys, if I want to place my x here, so I will type 1 and press enter. So you can see guys, it's placed here. And if I type 9, so you can see guys, I'm sorry, we have to I can type 5, so you can see guys, it's placed in center. And now guys, if I type 6, so you can see guys, it's placed here. So guys, it's actually a multiplayer game, so you can play with I just mean you can play this game with your friends using a single computer. So guys, I hope you understand and learn how to make tic-tac-toe using Python. So guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.